So a slightly different video here that I'm going to be showing you a collection of watercolours that are available to purchase. The first one here, we've got a French scene by the river. I remember we stopped there in our camper van for lunch, and there's a nice scene across the lake. I can't remember where it is, so sorry about that one. And I'll let you guess where that one is. Quite a fun scene, that one, for lovers of France. Another French town here. That this was in Crillon. I remember that, and I actually did write it on the back of the paper there. So this will obviously be a French collection. This was somewhere in the Rhone Valley. That one there, very atmospheric landscape. So there's a collection of 4 watercolours. They're all around 11 inches by 15 inches. So that would make a nice little collection. And there could be a couple of reasons why. I know a lot of people who are perhaps watching this video aren't necessarily looking to buy artwork, but looking to paint it. But it could be something, you know, you want to have to study, but obviously it's quite nice to have a painting on the wall as well. So these will be available on the collections membership of the website. So you can join, it's free to join, you just need to put your email address in, and then you'll get notifications of when I release new collections. And these are going to be available at a price that's too good to be true, so snap it up before it's gone. So that's the first collection. And on this one here, that was along the river Dordogne, I believe, in Montignac, that one. Again, quite a nice atmospheric scene. Hopefully these are all atmospheric scenes. This is kind of the style of watercolour. This one was painted in 2019, that one there, so it's quite nice for me to dig out these piles and piles of watercolours and have a little look through. But why have them sitting in a suitcase when perhaps they can be rehomed to other collectors? So there's actually a 2-for-1 on that one. But that's the painting there, which I think I was happy with in the end, which is the Rhone Valley, that one. So again, this is another French collection. Obviously, I've got a lot of paintings of France. And these collections are all watercolours, all original paintings. And these will be on the website as well. So this is collection number 2. There's also a collection of oils and watercolours available on there, and some animal paintings. So take a look at those. So again, more France, Dieppe Harbour this time on that one. One of our favourite places to go and paint, or for me to paint, obviously Kate to visit, is Saint-Antonin-Noble Val. Very narrow streets in that old medieval village. That's actually slightly bigger, that one, but they're all around that sort of size, 12 by 16, 11 by 15. Rain in Paris, that one there. But, and actually very similar to one on the previous collection, another, I think I did that one on a demo, again the Rhone Valley. So that's collection number 3. So before I moved to France, that I was in Wales, that's Abu Dhabi, that we used to stay there in our camper van and spend the evening there. That's got a nice again, atmospheric painting. Not far from where we used to live in Wales, Newquay, that one there. I've painted that scene a few times. It's a nice scene to revisit occasionally. Could do that again soon. And obviously Wales, beautiful mountainous countryside. So those of you who are in Wales, this would be a nice collection for you. And we were sort of mid-Wales, but when we used to head up to the north of Wales, that was the scene we would see. Beautiful lake off in the distance there. And back to France, Le Roquebrune, I think that one is. Again, a lot of these places have got camper van airs, so that's how we travel in France. And obviously France, a lot of wine making going on and farming on that one there. So this is collection 5, isn't it? Another Dieppe. That one there. And probably one of my favourite Paris scenes, a rain in Paris, very atmospheric. That sort of style of painting was what drew me to watercolour, really. That loose style. So that's collection number 5. And then we've got some smaller paintings. These are 9 inches by 12 inches. So that's a scene from our walk, when we take our dog for a walk in the evening. Again, a very popular landmark, that one there, in France. And some cattle grazing in the sunlight. So a small little collection there. And all of these paintings will be posted free of charge anywhere in the world. So it's a great opportunity for you to own some original paintings at a collector's price. And these are offered to members and followers of my YouTube videos as a way of thank you for support. And it's nice to get some artwork out there. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. So just to recap, this was the first collection, some scenes from France, obviously with the Arc de Triomphe. And again, they're all unframed, these paintings, when they're posted. This is for display purpose. And the second collection, number 2, which featured some landscape scenes around France. And then the third collection, one of my favourite places, San Antonio Noble Val. And then the fourth collection took us off to Wales in the UK. Some, again, very atmospheric landscapes. And then the fifth collection back to France, where we've got that lovely rain in Paris scene. And those who perhaps want some smaller paintings, the final collection, number 6, was a collection of 3 9-inch by 12-inch watercolours, again posted free of charge, unframed. So you just pay for the paintings, not the postage. So check the link out in the description and start your collection today.